Types of muscle fibers. Muscle fibers can be divided into two types, that is fast muscles or slow muscles. The fast muscles are also white muscles and slow muscles are they are red muscles. Fast muscles are pale looking whereas slow muscles are more red. This is so because the slow muscles have greater capillary network. In human beings, most muscles contain variable mixture of fast and slow muscle fibers. The postural muscles are largely slow muscles. White muscles. White muscles constitutes 3/4 of the total muscle mass and have a greater speed of contraction. They have a resting blood flow of 3 ml per minute per 100 gram, which may increase to 60 to 70 ml per minute per 100 gram in maximal exercise. These muscles are prone to oxygen debt. Red muscles. They comprise 25% of the total muscle mass and are concerned with maintenance of posture. Their activities of the study and prolonged type which requires relatively low oxygen usage. Their resting blood flow is 20 to 30 ml per minute per 100 gram due to the low basal myogenic tone. They have vascular bed 3 times the size of white muscle and high flow capacity, approximately 150 ml per minute per 100 gram. Because of greater surface area of the capillary bed and their lower oxygen requirement, these muscles are unlikely to be exposed to oxygen debt. So these are some of the differences between the white or red muscle fibers and red muscle fibers. The white muscle fibers are large in diameter with high glycogen capacity and ATPase activity. They are called as white muscle fibers because they are pale. Whereas red muscle fibers are moderate in diameter with moderate glycogen capacity and low ATPase activity. They are called red muscles because they are darker than the other muscle fibers. White muscle fibers are fast muscle fibers because they are innervated by large, fast conducting motor neurons. Whereas red muscles, they are innervated by small, slow conducting motor neurons. White muscle fibers get fatigued easily, whereas red muscles, they are resistant to fatigue and are most used muscles. Whereas the white muscles are specialized for fine and rapid skill movements and have short twitch duration. Whereas the red muscles, they respond very slowly and have a long latency period, and they are adapted for sustained slow and posture maintaining contractions. For example, the long muscles of limb and muscles of back. White muscle fibers particularly suited to perform high intensity work that can be sustained for only short period of time, whereas red muscles, they are suited to perform low intensity work over a longer period of time, such as for athletes and swimmers.